Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all my supporters, members, friends. Thank you so much for supporting AA Lavender. Thank you for all love and support. Thank you for watching and sharing my videos. Sorry for being not active this year. Is really tough for me. I've been really busy at work, and I make sure that I have upload just to update all my analytics and things like that. Thank you so much to all my members, friends, supporters, family all over the world. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Wish you good luck for 2026. Bye.